All right, this is Skip Fitch from Streetnoyz Customs. This is the 2010 Volkswagen R32. You can see in the side panel we have a Rockford Fosgate T1 Slim. It's a 12-inch flat woofer. It's built into a custom fiberglass enclosure. You can see the three amplifiers we have in this system. We have a T604. Half of that amplifier runs the Focal 3 tweet and the pillars. The other half of that amplifier runs the rear factory Dynaudio speakers. You can see I have a set of passive crossovers for those rear door speakers. We have a T600.2 that is wired directly to the Focal 6-inch mid bass and the front doors. And then we have a T500, and that runs the flat 12. See power distribution there. The three-way crossovers for the Focal Elite 3-ways. Those are bi-ampable crossovers. This is a new crossover design for their speakers for 2016. We just have it wired for the 3 of the tweet, haven't done it in the 6. We also have a trim panel that goes over the trunk of this car. Alright, and there's the trunk with the trunk panel put in. So you don't see anything. Alright, we're on to the front doors. Front door has a 6-inch Focal mid-bass driver from the 3-way speaker system. We've modified the door, done sound deadening on the inner, the outer door skins. The actual door panel itself has been deadened. We also cut the factory opening to a larger diameter exposure for the speaker. We also added a octagonal perforated steel, so we have more open area. It gets you much better mid-bass response in the front of the car. The 3-way speakers, we have a set of Focal 3-inch and a tweeter in the pillars, and it's a custom pod. You can see the grill that's on there. If you take the grill off, there you have the Focal 3 and the tweet. And there's the passenger side. There's the custom door panel. For sound field processor, it's hard to see because of the lighting, but there's a Focal 3, for the sound field processor, which is a little hard to see, is the Rockford Fosgate 363. It goes under the driver's seat to replace the factory amplifier. We're just using the high-level inputs on that amplifier. We're just using the high-level inputs on the sound field processor. I'm not using the controller, Bluetooth, or any other features of it. We have a remote level control for the subwoofer, and that's connected directly to the T500. This system utilizes the factory radio running into the Rockford processor. Alright, and this is the sound system.
Sometimes you gotta get scars to get what you deserve. I kept moving on, and now I'm moving up. Damn, I'm feeling blessed with all this love.
Well, I know it's a little hard to hear this on a YouTube video, but the new Focal Elite 3-way, it's pretty incredible sounding set of speakers. I have the last year's model in my own truck, and they sound pretty good. These definitely sound a lot better. They're making a little more progress on the Focal. This system's pretty awesome. Come on down to Streetnoyz today and let us design you an incredible audio system for your Volkswagen or any other car for that matter. Come down and talk to us today. This is Skip Fitch from Streetnoyz Customs.